Leather car seats can look and feel great, but they require regular cleaning and maintenance to keep them looking their best. If your leather car seats are starting to look dirty or worn, don't worry, there's something you can do about it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean leather car seats using simple household products. I'll also give you some tips on how to keep your leather car seats looking new for years to come. What you'll need: a damp microfiber cloth, a leather cleaner, a leather conditioner, a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment. Instructions: start by vacuuming the leather car seats to remove any loose dirt or debris. Apply a small amount of leather cleaner to the microfiber cloth. Wipe down the leather seats in a circular motion. Pay special attention to any areas that are particularly dirty or worn. Once you've cleaned the leather seats, wipe them down with a damp microfiber cloth to remove any residue. Apply a small amount of leather conditioner to the microfiber cloth. Wipe the leather seats in a circular motion to protect and nourish the leather. Allow the leather conditioner to dry completely before using your car. Tips: avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners on leather car seats. Test any new cleaner in an inconspicuous area before using it on the entire seat. Don't saturate the leather with water. Apply leather conditioner regularly to keep your leather seats looking their best. By following these simple steps, you can easily clean and maintain your leather car seats. With regular cleaning and care, your leather car seats will last for years to come. Bonus tip: if you have any stubborn stains on your leather car seats, you can try using a mixture of white vinegar and water. Apply the mixture to a clean microfiber cloth and wipe down the stain. Be sure to test the mixture in an inconspicuous area first to make sure it doesn't damage the leather. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about how to clean leather car seats, please leave them in the comments below.